Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can poke someone on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step that you need to follow is to open Play Store. And once you open Play Store, you simply need to search for Facebook and update your Facebook application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go and open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to scroll down and click on help and support, and then you need to click on help center. Once you click on that, you simply need to click on the search, and here you need to search for the box and click on box. Here you can find where can I see how many people sent you on Facebook. So here you can see that poke pages, and if you want to poke someone, you simply need to click on the poke icon and you can easily poke someone on Facebook. So this is a process by which you can poke someone on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.